Today we've got Amy in for first attempt. Tell them how you feel, Amy.
Nervous.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. But I've definitely got this. I've got this.
Good. We had our final lesson yesterday. How did it go?
Not too bad. Got
3 serious falls by the look of this. What were the 4? Moving off on the level?
Oh yeah, moving off on the level.
What did you do wrong?
What did I do wrong? Oh, when I was in 3rd gear? Or was that a different one?
How many times did you stall a car?
3 times.
Never done it in a before. What was the next one? Traffic lights, turn right.
Traffic lights. I just stood there at the traffic lights when they were red.
When the backup light was on red, what have you got to do?
Go.
And what was the last one?
Parking.
Pull up on the right. What did you do?
Oh, I ended up in the middle of the road.
Dear me, things she's never done before. But today, yesterday, she decided to do them right. Any questions?
No.
You'll have to pass because I've given you a slot away. Yeah?
Yeah.
Go on then, when you're ready. It's very weird. Just nice, smooth drive today.
I need to turn the car on.
You do. Is there anything we need before you move off?
No.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
It's dark.
Oh yeah, the lights.
Good. That's it. Right when you're ready. You have to stay nice and calm this morning. Have you got that? Otherwise
Yeah.
you're not going to pass. You have to be nice and calm, cool.
Well, I've ate a banana.
Oh, good. I would have had 2 if I was you.
I couldn't eat it. I felt it made me feel sick.
Did it?
And I love bananas.
Do you?
I just couldn't eat it.
So did you eat it or not?
I ate it all, but obviously I was going to eat 2.
Yeah, we're going to turn left. Now drive on when you're ready.
I need to stop being nervous.
You do. But relax. If you're nervous, your brain doesn't work. Put the hand on the gear lever first.
It's not like I can't drive. I can drive now, can't I? I can drive.
You can? Yeah. Now at the end of the road left.
Okay, left.
Well, I wouldn't put you in for test if you couldn't drive, would I?
Okay, I was trying to sleep last night.
Were you?
I had 8 hours sleep.
Good.
But I just kept imagining that I passed.
Did you?
The driving test, yeah.
What, you dreamed?
Yeah, I dreamed of it.
If you dreamed you pass, you don't pass.
Seriously?
Yeah. Never had anybody dream they're going to pass. You want to dream like you feel it.
I feel sick. I feel sick.
Do you?
Yeah. I feel sick.
Do you?
Uh-huh.
Take the second road to the right, that one's your first one.
Okay. Honestly, I feel nervous.
Do you? Got to stay calm, young lady, stay calm.
Is it normal to feel sick?
Yeah. Nervous. Just focus and concentrate, just believe in yourself and you'll be able to do it, yeah?
Honestly, I have. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Don't be scared, you've got nothing to worry about.
I know, should I bend it down a bit?
No, just leave it as it is.
I can't see.
We'll open the door and have a look, see if you're
Are
in.
you definitely allowed to open the door?
Yes.
Okay.
Come on, open the door and have a look. Is it in?
Okay, yeah, it's in.
Right, back it out. Now if you're not sure today, I want you to say, hang on, handbrake neutral. Yeah, it's in, yeah?
Okay.
Got it? Could you open the door in real life? If you were past your test and you weren't sure, could you open your door?
Yeah, you could.
We'll do it on your test.
Honestly. Okay, I'm nervous.
Well, we're all getting nervous. You just got to chill. Just believe in yourself and pass, yeah?
I'm just scared of meeting the examiner.
You're scared of meeting them?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
They're really nice, yeah?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, I feel sick now.
That's the second one.
And And this is the third one.
Yeah, this one here.
I don't know.
No, there might be 3, but can you reverse into one of the beers on the left? Just reverse into one of these.
Oh, I'm scared.
Oh, there's 3.
I feel sick. Okay, Amy, it's fine. What have I done? Knocked it off.
Mm-hmm.
What do I do? Just pull back out and reverse
Yeah.
in? I've already done this because I'm nervous.
Mm-hmm.
I'm good at driving, aren't I?
Yeah, really good when you concentrate. You got it? Right, go on, let's test centre then.
I'm scared.
Hmm?
I feel sick.
Do you? You'll be fine, young lady.
Do I go this way?
Please.
Okay, I need to be more to the left. Oh my god, I am so nervous.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just chill.
And cuts. And to check your pressure, you would have to use the pressure thing.
Right, it's time to
Okay.
wish Amy the very best of luck. Tell them what you're going to do. Pass or fail.
Fail.
Are you?
No, I mean pass.
Pass, right.
Yeah.
How many faults?
5.
5? She's drove really well this morning. Nothing much gone wrong. It's been a nice drive. The odd minor fault, it's been really good. She's been really nervous, but she's drove really well. So we'll go for 3 minors like we normally do,
Okay,
yeah?
yeah.
Do you have any questions before we turn that off? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Well, we'll sit and watch and look and see them up there.
Oh yeah, I'm scared.
You what?
My parking
Yeah.
straight away. And I was panicking thinking, God, did I do it correctly? And I said to him, I said, I'm just gonna move that mirror, is that fine? And then he was getting, no Amy, yeah, you're fine. And I said, I'm in the lines in this one. And then he was getting, well, you're in here, Amy, so you're fine. And then I was getting, I said, I'm at fast. And then he was, and then also being like, he said, Amy, I might have to tell you to do an emergency stop.
Yeah.
And I said, oh, okay, that's fine.
Well, we're back off test with Amy. Amy, tell them what you've
I
done.
went and fast.
Tell them how many faults you got.
I got 2.
She got a show me, tell me question wrong at the start. She's too nervous. And she got a minor fault for response to traffic lights. It was on green, she reacted a bit slow. What was the driving exam like?
Oh, he was lovely.
Was he?
He was so nice, yeah.
Was he?
Yeah, I can't breathe. I can't believe I've done it. Thank you so much. I can't wait to show up and
You
tell
what?
everyone, tell my family that I've done it first time.
Well done. Was it nerve-wracking when you got in the car?
No, it was actually fine.
Was it?
Yeah, it was fine. I was a little bit nervous.
Yeah.
But he was just so nice.
Malcolm, he's a
He was
lovely guy.
lovely. He was telling me how good of a driving instructor you are.
Was he?
Yeah, he was saying you're a really good driving instructor. Everyone should go with you. you know your routes. And
Yeah.
I said to him when I was driving, because
Yeah.
obviously we went to where you said I was going to
Yeah.
go. We went up there, and I said, "Yeah, I've been up here a few times." And he was going, "Oh yeah, he knows where he's going." he knows where he's going. Oh, I can't believe I've done it.
You
I
what?
can't believe I've done it.
Oh, well done. Did you do the emergency stop?
No, I didn't. I don't know, I didn't. I can't believe I only had 2 minor faults.
Well done. You're amazing. Well done. Oh, what a relief.
My God, I can't. I'm going to miss you, Keith. I'm going to miss doing my lessons.
Oh, you won't really get your car and drive on your own. You'll be over the moon. Now, this is where the real learning begins now, yeah?
Yeah. I'm just going to roll it into first and wait. And I did. And then he he was getting, good, you done that correctly, and he was wonderful, because I told him, I said, oh, I'm a little bit stupid with my lefts and rights, and then he was getting, no Amy, that's absolutely fine. And then when I was getting there, he was getting, Amy, you take the next left, Amy, you take, and he honestly was absolutely wonderful. He was
he?
lovely.
Oh, well,
He was lovely. He
you
was telling us,
deserve it.
I
What?
do, don't I can't believe I've done it.
Yeah.
No more help.
Well done. Are you going to get yourself a car?
Yeah. I don't know what yet.
Hey, Amy, I'm going to miss your lessons. Even though you've tortured us at times. But well done.
Me too.
Well done.
Yes, I can't believe I've done it.
It's a great feeling, isn't it?
I can't believe I went and done it.
Well done, you deserve it. Thank you to your boyfriend, Luke, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It wouldn't be possible without him, so tell him well done. Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, and he was even that nice.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know where you normally tell me to do my hill start? He made me do my hill start at the bottom.
Did he?
Yeah. He said, Amy, he said, you choose where you want to do your hill start. You can either do it up there, you can do it here. And I thought, no, it's fine, I'm going to do it here. And I pulled up on the left straight away and I just done it.
Yeah,
He was so nice. He said, you'll have to